Hi, welcome to our mental ability test series. In this series, I am going to explain the concept of analogy. Actually, we have two kinds of analysis. One is verbal, another one is non-verbal. In this session, I am going to explain about verbal analogy. Okay, so you can understand what is the verbal analogy and what is the non-verbal analysis. Clear? Okay. So before going to explain that, so first we have to know what is analogy. Analogy means similarity. In this type of questions, two objects related in the same way are given, and third object is also given with the four or five alternatives, depends upon the competitive examination nature. We have to find out which one of the alternative bears the same relation with the third objects as first and second objects are related. So in this kind of analogy questions, there are four questions. One is four terms, one is missed. The first two have some kind of relation. The same relation will be maintained to the next two. The fourth one is missed here. So you have to identify the correct term among the given four alternative answers. Okay. So now we are going to see the questions one by one, which comes as the first one. Okay. Now observe it. So the first question is curd, milk, shoe. Which one will come? Curd generally made with milk. So means here, so if you want to prepare the curd, which is required? So milk is required, correct? Like if you want to prepare a shoe, which is required to prepare to manufacture the shoe, the thing is required raw material is leather. So leather is the correct option. Okay. So we will check for other things as cloth, jute, silver. So generally we will not wear any kind of shoe which is made with cloth, correct? The jute will not be used to prepare the shoe or manufacture the shoe. Even silver also generally we are not using. So most commonly the raw material which is used to prepare the shoe is leather. So option A is correct. Okay. Now going to the next one. Malaria or mosquito. So when you observe it, malaria is a disease and mosquito is one of the thing which causes the malaria disease. So the relation is the disease was caused by a causing factor. You have to identify it. So the both are missing here. You have to identify those two. Poison and death. By poison, so there is a possibility of death, but poison is not a disease. Am I correct? Cholera, water. Cholera is a disease. Through the water, we will get means a contaminated water or polluted water causes the cholera. Correct? So definitely the disease is cholera and the causing factor is polluted water. So water. So maybe this is the correct option. We will go for the verifying the remaining, that is rat plague medicine disease. Okay, as you know that plague disease is caused by a rat. Okay, this is also correct. Medicine disease, so means a medicine. So if you have suffering with the disease, generally we will wear the medicine, but the same kind of relation between malaria and mosquito cannot be applied between medicine and disease. So it's not correct. So here B and C is a possibilities. Now we will check the cholera, water, rat plague. So but if you see that malaria disease first, causing factor next. Cholera is a disease, causing factor, but this is the same kind of relation. But if you see the option C, rat causing factor first, diseases and X. So even though some kind of relation, but not in a regular order, the order which was given between malaria and mosquito not maintained in C. So option B is correct. Okay. Now go for the next question. 486. Which one comes next? So now the previous one, if you observe the previous ones, those are different terms. Now numericals. 418.6. So are you find any kind of relation between 18 and 4? For 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Means here 4 square plus 2 is 18. Correct? In the similar manner, so you have to square the number, add 2 gives the required answer. Means 6 square plus 2. 6 square, 6 is 36 plus 2, 38. So option B is correct. Okay. Now go to the next one. Cup, lip, bird, which will come? So if you want to drink something by using cup, so first you will use the lips. Correct? Cup is used to drink something with the help of lips. In the similar manner, bird want to take something. So which one is used? Generally you have to see. Bush, no. Grass, takes maybe grass, but it's not an instrument or it's not a body part to hold that. It's not. Forest, it's not one. And beak is very clear. The birds generally use their beak to hold the things. Similarly, birds collect grass with the help of beak to make their nest. Cup is used to drink something with the help of lips. In a very similar manner, birds collect the grass with the help of beak to make their nest. So here beak is the correct option. Okay. Now flow, river, stagnate. Which is the answer? So generally the water flows in river. So where the water will be stagnant, it's very clear. In pool, the water will be stagnant. So option C is correct. Okay. Next one. Pa, cat, hook. What is the next one? Generally, so the pa, the word is concerned to the cat. Of course, generally it's concerned to its leg. So hoop is concerned to the generally horse. Correct? So we can say horse is the correct option. Okay. Now come to the next one. Ornithologist, bird, archaeologist. What is the next one? Ornithologist. So the person who take research about the living and nature, behavior, everything concerned to the birds is called ornithologist. Or simply, ornithologist is a specialist of birds. And now archaeologist. If you take archaeologist, so archaeology means they will study about different archaeological things for this like. So it's concerned to the archaeology. But here options are given: islands, which are surrounded by water. Mediators, they are persons, so concerned to the different thing. And aquatic, which is concerned to the water. So it's very clear. So archaeology is the correct option. Okay. Now come to the peacock, India, bear, which one? Everyone knows that the national bird of India is peacock. Means you have to identify among these four options: Australia, America, Russia, England. Bear is a national animal for which country? Everyone knows it's Russia. National animal is bear. So you can say option C is the correct one. Okay, now B, E, G, K, A, D, F, J, P, S, B, Y. So previous one is concerned to the general knowledge questions. So now coming to the letters. So previous to previous, that is letters. Next numericals. Next GK, and next comes into the alphabetical order. So when you see that here the B, observe it very carefully. So here the B, so B, A, so it moves backwards. Correct? A, B, C, you know. So B to A, E, F, one step forward. Here one step backward, one step forward. G, here we will take the F, one step backward. K, one step forward. I, J, K. So K, one step. I, J, K. So one step backward. B to A, one step backward. E to F, one step forward. G to F, one step backward. K to J, one step backward. So in a similar manner, you have to identify that P to O is KLM and OP, one step backward. S to R, PQRS, one step backward. V to U, one step backward, and V to X, one step backward. So O R U X is the correct answer. So like you have to identify these things. Okay, now coming to the next one. A Z B Y C X D W E V F U. In a very similar manner, previous question I discussed here. A C, two steps forward. Z to D, two steps. B to W, two steps, and Y to W is two steps. In the similar manner, E to G, two steps. V to T, two steps. F to H, two steps, and U to S, two steps. So very clear. G, T, H, S is the correct option. So so option A is the correct one. You can say it. Now move to the next one. A, C, E, Z, E, Z, I, K, M, O, Q, U, S, U, M, U, W. What's the answer here? So A to I, between A to I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So between A to I you have 8, means so 8 step forward. Even C to K 8 steps forward. E to M 8 step forward. G to O 8 step forward. In the similar manner, you have to maintain the same. Q to Y 8 step forward. S to A 8 step forward. U to C 8 step forward. W to E 8 step forward. So very clear, the answer is Y, A, C, E. So this is the answer. Okay. Now coming to the next one. 14, 9, 26. What's the answer? 14, 9, 26 means very clear, means here. So you have to identify a relation. So what is the relation between 14 and 9? 14. 2 9s are 18 minus 4, 14. In the similar manner, you have 2. How you get 26 here? How you get 26? Same manner. So 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 equal to 26. We can say 2x minus 4 equal to 26. And 2x is equal to 26 plus 4, 30. 2x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 15. So 15 is the correct answer. So 15 next. MO is 13, 15. HJ. What is the next one? MO. If you write A, B, C, D like here, the position of M is 13, position of O is 15. Obviously, position of H is 8 and position of J is 10. So 8 and 10 is the correct option. Clear? Okay, now 123, 132 and 235. It's very clear. The second and third means unit digit and tens digits are interchanged. 123 becomes as 135, 2. So 235, so 3 and 5 should be interchanged. 253, 253, option C is the correct one. Okay, 8, 28 and 27. What's the next one here? It's a very clear, means we can say 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Correct? Same. 2 plus 7. 2 plus, how you want to get a 27. How you get it a 27 means here it's very clear. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. That is 2 plus 7. So you can say 65 is the correct option. Now coming to the glove hands. So we will wear the gloves to the hand. So socks to the feet. So that's the correct option. Lawyer or court. The field of the lawyer, he works at court. So very clear. The chemist works at the laboratory. Option A is correct. Now apple, grape, orange. So all are vegetables, fruits. So